Countries and Independence Days. Burma and Australia Independence Day, January 4. Bharat Republic Day, January 26. Sri Lanka Independence Day, February 4. Israel Independence Day, March 3rd. Nepal Republic Day, May 28. South Africa Independence Day, April 27. Namibia Independence Day, March 12. Russia Independence Day, June 12. Thailand Independence Day, June 24. America Independence Day, July 4. France National Day, July 14. Pakistan Independence Day, August 14. India and South Korea Independence Day, August 15. Indonesia Independence Day, August 17. Afghanistan Independence Day, August 19. Brazil Independence Day, September 7. Palestine Independence Day, November 15. Abbreviations: ABM Anti-Ballistic Missile, ADB Asian Development Bank, ASEAN ASEAN Association of Southeast Asian Nations, ATM Automatic Teller Machine, BARC BARC Baba Atomic Research Center, BCCI Board of Central for Cricket in India, BSF Border Security Force, CAT Center for Advanced Technology, CBI Central Bureau of Investigation, CIA Central Intelligence Agency, CID Criminal Investigation Department, CRPF Central Reserve Police Force, DNA Deoxyribonucleic Acid, DRDO Defense Research and Development Organization, FBI Federal Bureau of Investigation, FM Field Marshal Frequency Modulation, GDP Gross Domestic Product, HAL Hindustan Aeronautic Limited, ICICI Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India, IIT Indian Institute of Technology, INSAT INSAT Indian National Satellite System, IPS Indian Police Service, ISI Inter-Services Intelligence, ISRO ISRO Indian Space Research Organization, LCD Liquid Crystal Display, LIC Life Insurance Corporation of India, LPG Liquefied Petroleum Gas, NASA NASA National Aeronautic and Space Administration, NATO North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NHAI National Highway Authority of India, NRI Non-Resident Indian, ONGC Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, PhD Doctor of Philosophy, PIN Postal Index Number, RNA Ribonucleic Acid, UGC University Grants Commission, UK United Kingdom, WTO World Trade Organization.